In this video, I will show you how to connect WhatsApp to N8N. To start, click the plus button and search for Twilio. Twilio is the service that lets you send WhatsApp messages through N8N. Choose the Twilio node and in the operation drop-down choose Send WhatsApp. Now we need to connect Twilio to N8N. Click on Credentials and create new credentials. Twilio requires two pieces of information, your account SID and your auth token. Keep this window open because you will need to paste the values here. Now, you need to get your Twilio credentials. Go to your Twilio console in your browser and log in. On the main dashboard, you will see two important pieces of information. The first one is your account SID. It usually starts with the letters AC followed by a long string of numbers and letters. The second one is your auth token. This is your secret key. You might have to click the little eye icon to reveal it. Copy both of these values and keep them somewhere safe for the next step. Go back to N8N and paste the account SID into the first field and the auth token into the second field. Give the credential a name that makes sense for you and click Save. That is the full process of connecting WhatsApp to N8N.